If you love your curls but they're always frizzy, then listen up. We've got the scoop on what you might be doing wrong. Mistake number 1. Washing your hair too often. Curly hair loves moisture. Shampooing every day? Big no-no. Try once a week instead. Next up, using the wrong towel. That fluffy cotton towel? It's your curls' worst enemy. Switch to a microfiber towel or an old t-shirt. Your curls will thank you. And oh, the dreaded brush. Brushing curly hair when it's dry. Major frizz alert. Only detangle when wet, using your fingers or a wide-tooth comb. Lastly, don't skip the leave-in conditioner. Your curls need that extra love. It keeps them hydrated, defined, and frizz-free. Avoid these mistakes and get ready to rock those gorgeous curls. Like and subscribe for more curly hair tips. See you next time, curl friends.